To student of science standard, today we are going to start exercise 9.5. The topic is बच्चे visualizing solid object. In visualizing solid object, we have to visualize the object from the top view, from the side view and from the front view. Three views. See, let us take an example. See, this is the form of cuboid. We are making a cuboid that is in rectangular form. If there is a light of the top, that is an upside top view. This is known as the top view. Okay, and from front we can see, from this view is an front view of that one figure, so this is known as a front view, and this side is known as the considered as its cuboid side view. So similar way we have to visualizing the solid object which are given. Let us start exercise 9.5. First question MCQ. For a solid as shown at right, few views are given in that shapes. So we have to firstly show the side of that shape. Which is the side of that? This is the side, as I told you, this is the top view. If we are considering this one and this is the front view, and which is the side view? This is the side view. So two boxes are there on that side, so first option is the correct. This is the side view of that figure. Similar next question, the top view of this is the top view which consisting at 1 and 2 bricks upside. So 2 bricks are there upside, so this is the top, this is the front view if we are saying, and these are the side view. So second MCQ answer is option number B. Now next question is question number second. We have to draw the top, front and side views of the following solid shapes. How we can draw? See, first one, this is a solid shape. First question, we have to draw the top view, front view and side view. Top view know very well. This is the top views, 3 top view considering the 3 bricks. That is considered as the top view of that figure. Second is front view, front 1, 2, 3. This is the front view we are considering the. So there are 3 bricks or cubes. 1, 2 and 3. This is the front view. And similar way we have to write down the side view. Side considering 1, 2, 3 and this is fourth one. 4 cubes are there. So 4 we have to make on this is the side view. As similar way we have to draw the next one solid shape, same as top view, front view. See, I will explain now. Question number 4. This is a cone shape is given. What is the front view? Front view we are seeing the rectangle. This is the front view. So rectangle shape is known as the front view. Front of that solid shape. And now what is the top? This is the top which is in the form of circle. So circle representing top view. And what is the front? Front view. Sorry, what is the side view? Side, if we are talking about cone of the side, this is also in the shape of triangle, because cones considering बच्चे triangle and circular form. Combs is making triangle and circular form. So side view is also in the form of triangle. So similar way, try out the third question by self. I will explain here. Question number 4. Explain, draw the top, front and side views of this figure which having cubes given. See, first of all we have to draw the top view that consists 1, 2 and 3 cubes. So top view considering 3 cubes. One, 2 and 3. This is top view. Similar way, front view 1, 2 and 3. This is the front. 1, 2 and 3. This shape, similar shape. This is the front view. This full figure. So as it, we have to make it same. This is the front view. And what is that side? Number of sides are 3, same as. So side view is this is the side view. So here your 9.5 exercise and chapter number 9 is completed.